We're coming to you from the beautiful Champions Gate Resort just outside of Orlando. We're in the last day of our fall meeting. It's been a great event, starting with RBC Functions, the Retail Beverage Council, which has had great dinners and receptions and a wonderful golf tournament. A little rain, but everybody made it through okay.
Great course, great atmosphere, great company. Can't beat it.
And we had some great business sessions. RBC held terrific business sessions with the Secretary of DBPR, a craft beer guild panel, which was really interesting and exciting.
Floridians, outside of tourism, right now Floridians really care about local sourcing, sustainability, a pride, Florida made, that means something. As well as we're helping the Florida economy, business to business. We're buying our ingredients from local farmers, from things that are local. It's going to help the economy.
There was a good speaker yesterday talking about the power of the women consumer and their decision at the point of purchase and the trends.
Along with the craft distillery discussion, which brings a whole new interest to Florida and distilling. The trade show this year was a smashing success. We had well over 100 booths, many new items, and from wines to vodkas to blended drinks. I heard nothing but strong support from the retailers who were walking the trade show floor. I heard great things from the vendors and the exhibitors who felt like they were having a great show as well.
We've been coming to RBC since 1987, and we've had a representative at this show every year since then. And we absolutely love this show and wouldn't even think about not being here.
And then we had a great award show last night where we recognized Retailer's True Friend, where we recognized our Chairman's Award winner, Debbie Crow, from the FRF staff.
I appreciate, again, Rick as a wonderful leader has given me the chance to grow, express confidence in me so that I could gain confidence to do what you needed to have done.
And we recognized our Law Enforcement of the Year award winner, 40 years of Law Enforcement Award winners. It was a great event.
No one knows your industry better than you do. We kind of know the law enforcement end. What better way to make it gel as a partnership?
And finally, last night we had the change of the guard. So the outgoing chairman of the Retail Federation, Paul Imbrone, handed over the gavel to Sandy Fortin, who's the head of Play It Again Sports, Paul at Macy's.
And bringing members together and really showing everybody what FRF is really all about. We've got so many opportunities, and it's so important for that we get more people involved in FRF, and we have a stronger voice here in Tallahassee.
Paul's 2-year run has been a great one, full of wonderful events, full of great work for the retail industry, and we're all looking forward to what Sandy can do for us moving forward. So that's it for this session. If you missed it, don't miss it next year.